Today we're checking out a 1965 Chevy Nova Super Sport. Factory V8 car too. Great sounding dual exhaust. Also has a 4-speed manual transmission. Great stance, great look.
Man, factory tack in the dash works perfectly. Full console. I love this car, and you don't see too many of these at all.
No, it's a neat one.
Wait till you see under here, Big D. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Beautiful under the hood.
Date code correct, 283. Upgraded with a Alderbrock 4-barrel, aluminum radiator, power disc brakes in the front, and an absolutely show quality engine bay.
Yeah, it's gorgeous finish and all the paint on the engine bay. Bottom side of the hood's nice. Got the correct matting.
Clear coated engine.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with this one.
Yeah, it's a nice one for sure.
Tim buffed this out. It looks so good now. You know, it's an older paint job, older restoration, but all in all, it's a gorgeous driver. Front bumper looks good. Grille looks real nice too. I like how that all the chrome lines up beautifully over top of the eyebrows into the hood. It's kind of neat design by Chevy, and that looks like that's all been re-chromed. Gap's really good from front to back here. Back of the hood lines up nice. Again, back of the hood's nice. It's got kind of a maybe slight tinted windows.
Yeah.
Not perfect paint. I mean, and we're not going to be able to get everything, but there's a little touch up here. We buffed it out, so there's always going to be just a little buffing compound, even though we detail it really good after it's buffed. It just takes a couple times to get that all out of there. American Racing wheels, kind of a deeper dish wheel with disc brakes up front, wheel well trim. Bottom rocker molding is original. So you can see it's got just a little discoloration and stuff like that. But paint shines really well after you buffed it out.
It does.
Paint chip touched up there.
The car as a whole has good gaps. The door lines up well. And when we get back there, I really like how they did the exhaust.
I couldn't agree more. I really like it. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, check out the floors, trunk pictures, really solid car. Dee, would you mind going ahead and getting the keys and open that trunk up? Look at this, bucket seats, factory console, original shifter. And all in a Super Sport 2-door hardtop factory V8 car, to my knowledge. Headliner's great, nice and tight. Back door panels are awesome. It's got seat belts in the front. Not sure if it's got seat belts in the back. Carpet's excellent. It's got nice floor mats. AM/FM radio.
But I would just wait till we get in the truck.
Dash pane is nice. Got the correct SS console. Door panels are excellent. Corners of the doors are nice. That door shut's great too. Lines up very nicely, just like you said a little earlier, Dalton. The gaps really seem really good for a 1965 Nova. Back bumper lines up great. I like the silver accent back there. Pretty sure that's the factory Nova. Stripe line. Look at the trunk.
The trunk's very nice. And all the chrome trim too. It might not be brand new, but it shines really nice.
Yeah, very presentable trim. And you know, that's hard to find that it's not all beat up, you know. Mm-hmm. That trunk floor is perfect. Nice jam paint. Even the trunk shut's good. I mean, it just really shuts nicely. Back behind the window wall looks good. Like that they left that. They didn't seam that in. Where's your exhaust come out, D? I know you said
right, kind of down behind the tires.
Oh, yeah,
nice chrome tips there.
I like that. It's good.
On both sides. It's nice.
Driver's side, super straight. Again, older paint, but really nice finish.
Yep.
And nice straight body. Not many of these SS's out there. You pop into a car show with a little Super Sport V8 4-speed Nova. I don't see too many at car shows when I go.
No, you don't.
You know, you see some post car Novas, but you sure don't see the hard tops. just a little, what the heck's there? A little paint discoloration right there. A couple little chips right there. A little wider gap in the bottom than it is in the top, but good. You got good clean clearance there. Paint chip right here, probably the worst chip in the whole car, right there in the door. I like that it's getting closer to fall and winter, D, that we can cruise these with the windows up and not get too hot.
Absolutely.
It does have a nice tint, doesn't
Yeah, it does. Yep.
As we open the door here, Hornworks steering column paint is beautiful. Paint on the dash is great. There's your factory VIN number. Door panel, armrests, base, everything is excellent. Paint in the door jambs looks good. Bucket seats look nice. Couple tiny little, kind of little stress cracks maybe on the side, but nice cushions in them too. Look at that, factory tack gauges, and I'm pretty sure that most everything works. It's got aftermarket gauges down there as well.
Starts easy.
Hornworks, gas gauge works, oil pressure gauge works. It's way over towards the high. Temp gauge, not sure there, but we got double gauges, okay? Which I think is cool. Volt gauge, oil pressure gauge works, but everything works on here too.
Yeah, that factory tack's neat as hell.
It is. 91,000 actual miles on this one. Wipers are working. How about this? AM, FM radio. Switches over. I wish it worked. I don't think it does.
It looks nice.
What else we got here? Heater works. Here's your temperature, your defrost, all that stuff. Pulling on that. Now, it does have a kill switch for some reason. Not sure why, but I like that we marked it. Also, we hooked up reverse light switch here.
Nice.
So that's all done already. Dome light works as well, and that headliner is unbelievable.
It's super nice. Super nice.
One thing I noticed with this shifter, and I might screw up because it's super tight. So, I mean, the pattern is really tight on this one.
And all these 4-speeds, they all, you know, every one of these old cars drive and shift a little different. So it takes a couple miles to get used to any of these cars.
Still hoping and praying that original radio comes on because it's so damn cool.
It is clean.
Look at the ash. Is that an ashtray? I think it was. Yeah. Probably just doesn't work now because the gauge isn't there, but just blends in beautifully.
We got a car coming here.
Yeah, we got a lot of cars coming. I'm excited to drive and shift this one. It just feels, you know, for a little car.
Yeah, these are neat.
For a little car, Dalton, they're comfortable. I mean, like I said, we're bigger guys in here, 6'2".
Yeah.
I've got tons of room behind the steering wheel on this, and it doesn't have tilt wheel.
I got room too between my legs and the dash.
Do you really?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's important. You know, I mean, get in the cushions. I don't know about your seats, but my seats have nice cushions on them. They
Yep.
feel good. I don't like all this traffic, dude.
Me neither.
Second gear scratch.
Yep.
Shifting about 4,500 RPMs. We're at 4,000 at 70. Shifting to 4, 75, 80, 3,200 RPMs.
Nice.
And look how sweet this thing goes down the road. Look at that.
Yeah, it does. Suspension feels great too.
It does. One finger on the wheel. This is 75, D. So at 75, almost 80, it was 3,000 RPM. So really nice gears in this bad boy.
Yeah, no front end shake.
Nothing. Quality car. Oil pressure's up. Temp gauge hasn't come up yet. It's a little cooler day, so we'll kind of check that out and make sure. But I'm sure out of one of the two, one of them is going to be coming up here soon. As far as our brakes go, it's got disc on the front, no pull left or right, and they stop nice and straight.
Yes, they do.
But here's what I'm talking about. So it shifts into gear fine, but see that
tight pattern.
Yeah, it's just got a really tight pattern to it.
Yeah. special, we'll know, but check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com.
Looks like that SUV is going to blow up.
Yeah, they got something on fire there, it looks like.
Oh, yeah, that or a severe oil burner. Wow.
Check this out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.